All right, looks like we got plenty of fuel, plenty of nitrous. Let's go. I think the intake got loaded up with nitrous on the V12. I'm gonna try this one more time, then I'm gonna hit them both individually and see how each engine sounds with the nitrous. That thing started screaming. Cut the nitrous, cut the nitrous! Whoa. You know what it smells like? It smells like nitromethane kind of, and a little bit of sulfur. I would call that a win for the V12. But however, I can tell you this much, this engine in particular started right up from the day I built it, and it starts every single time. And I bet you even after that hit of nitrous, it's gonna start up. Let's see. That's what I'm saying. It's like running forever no matter what. That right there is impressive. I'm going to start the V8, hit it with the nitrous, see how it sounds. Start the V12, hit it with the nitrous, see how it sounds. Because it was really hard to see which engine sounded like what when both engines were running like that. Let's give it a shot. Okay, well, that was running on only nitrous. Because no matter what I did with the throttle, the thing was still revved up.